नमस्कार, मैं हूं आंचल और आप देख रहे हैं हरियाणा टुडे। मदर टेरेसा के जन्म दिवस पर उनके प्रशंसकों को हार्दिक बधाई एवं शुभकामनाएं। मदर टेरेसा मानवता के महान सेवकों में से एक थी। वह एक अल्बेनियन कैथोलिक नन थी। उन्होंने कोलकाता में चैरिटी के मिशनरी की स्थापना की। बाद में मदर टेरेसा ने भारतीय नागरिकता प्राप्त की। मदर टेरेसा को कोलकाता में गरीबी से त्रस्त लोगों के बीच निस्वार्थ काम करने को कहा गया। मदर टेरेसा को उस काम के लिए नोबेल पुरस्कार से भी सम्मानित किया गया।
She is an example of commitment, dedication, of a genuine love.
Her response would be to take the person and to care for the person and not ask the why. And if she wanted something done, she would carry on telephoning or seeing people until it was done. And that was really the secret of her success.
Born on August 27, 1910 in former Yugoslavia, named Agnes Boyaji. She started her journey at just 18 years of age, leaving a simple, loving family to become a nun. She joined an Irish order, the Sisters of Loreto, a community known for their missionary work in India. It was there she took the name Teresa.
She was the kind of person, determined. She wanted to do this work and she would see it through.
In 1929, she arrived in Calcutta, India, and taught for 20 years at St. Mary's High School.
I asked Mother Teresa whether she loved teaching, and she said, it was my life. And leaving Loreto was a greater sacrifice than even leaving home.
A few years later, she took the final vows as a nun. At the age of 38, while traveling by train in India to recover from suspected tuberculosis, she said she received a calling from God to serve Him among the poorest of the poor.
It was the will of God. It came from Him directly.
मदर टेरेसा का मूल नाम एग्नेस था। उनका जन्म 27 अगस्त 1910 को मैसेडोनिया में हुआ था। उनके पिता एक सफल व्यापारी थे और वे 3 भाई बहन थे, जिनमें से मदर टेरेसा सबसे छोटी थी। 18 साल की उम्र में ही मदर टेरेसा घर छोड़कर भारत आ गई। भारत आकर उन्होंने गरीब परिवारों की सेवा करनी शुरू कर दी।
At the age of 18, she left her parental home in Skopje and joined the Sisters of Loreto, an Irish community of nuns with missions in India. After a few months training in Dublin, she was sent to India, where on May 24, 1931, she took her initial vows as a nun.
मदर टेरेसा कोलकाता के सेंट मैरी हाई स्कूल में भूगोल प्रश्नोत्तरी सिखाया करती थी। प्राइवेट स्कूल छोड़ने के बाद मदर टेरेसा कोलकाता में बसी गरीब से गरीब बस्ती में बच्चों को पढ़ाने लगी। कई सालों तक उन्होंने गरीब, अनाथ और मरते हुए लोगों को उन्होंने मदद की और साथ ही चैरिटी के मिशनरीज के प्रसार का भी मार्गदर्शन प्रस्तुत किया।
From 1931 to 1948, Mother Teresa taught at St. Mary's High School in Calcutta. But the suffering and poverty she glimpsed outside the convent walls made such a deep impression on her that in 1948 she received permission from her superiors to leave the convent school and devote herself to walking among the poorest of the poor in the slums of Calcutta. Although she had no funds, she depended on divine providence and started an open-air school for slum children. Soon she was joined by voluntary helpers and financial support was also forthcoming. This made it possible for her to extend the scope of her work. On October 7, 1950, Mother Teresa received permission from the Holy See to start her own order, the Missionaries of Charity, whose primary task was to love and care for those persons nobody was prepared to look after. In 1965, the society became an international religious family by a decree of Pope Paul VI.
1970 तक वे गरीब और असहायों के लिए अपने मानवीय कार्यों के लिए प्रसिद्ध हो चुकी थी। मदर टेरेसा को 1989 में नोबेल शांति पुरस्कार और 1980 में भारत का सर्वोच्च नागरिक सम्मान भारत रत्न प्रदान किया गया।
For others, the joy of the Lord is our strength.
Keep the joy of loving God in your heart and share this joy with all you meet, especially your family. Be holy. Let us pray.
मदर टेरेसा के जीवन काल में मिशनरीज ऑफ चैरिटी का कार्य लगातार विस्तृत होता रहा और उनकी मृत्यु के समय यह कई देशों में मिशन नियंत्रित कर रही थी। मदर टेरेसा को असहाय और गरीब लोगों से बड़ा प्रेम था। मदर टेरेसा की मृत्यु के बाद उन्हें पोप जॉन पॉल द्वितीय में धन्य घोषित किया गया और उन्हें कोलकाता की धन्य की उपाधि प्रदान की गई।
She spent her whole life caring and giving love to poor people until she died on 5 September 1997.
Life is a chance. Accept it. Life is a beauty. Admire it. Life is happiness. Enjoy it. Life is a dream. Fulfill it. Life is a challenge. Face it. Life is a duty. Do it. Life is a game. Play it. Life is precious. Honor it. Life is wealth. Save it. Life is love. Live it. Life is a mystery. Explore it. Life is a promise. Keep it. Life is sadness. Overpass it. Life is a rhyme. Sing it. Life is tragedy. Soften it. Life is an adventure. Experience it. Life is a satisfaction. Deserve it. Life is life. Protect it.
Yesterday is gone. Tomorrow has not yet come. We have only today. Let us begin.
A sacrifice to be real must cost, must hurt, must empty ourselves. The fruit of silence is prayer. The fruit of prayer is faith. The fruit of faith is love. The fruit of love is service. The fruit of service is peace. We are the church now. We have to share with our people. Suffering today is because people are holding, not giving, not sharing. Jesus made it very clear. Whatever you do to the least of my breath, you do it to me. Give a glass of water, you give it to me. Receive a little child, you receive me.
मदर टेरेसा के जन्म दिवस पर हरियाणा टुडे परिवार उन्हें सच्ची श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करता है। हरियाणा टुडे में आज के लिए इतना ही। मुझे दीजिए इजाजत। आप देखते रहिए।